Hey pancake lovers, guess what? It's time to celebrate birthdays in the flappiest, sweetest way possible, introducing the new Pancake House Birthday Pancakes. Alam mo yung feeling ng kabataan mo, simple, masaya at puno ng matatamis na alaala. Yan ang dala ng Pancake House Birthday Pancakes. Ang nostalgic ng vibe, parang balik bata ka ulit sa bawat kagat. Isipin mo to, 3 pieces fluffy classic pancakes sprinkled with colorful M&Ms, topped with powdered sugar and whipped butter, plus free gold candle pa, dahil deserve mong mag-wish ng extra sweet. Ito ang pinakabongga, pre-birthday pancakes para sa birthday celebrants, no minimum purchase required. Dine in ka lang and they will serve happiness on a plate. Walang birthday? Walang problema. Pwede mo pa rin i-order ang birthday pancakes for just $299. Available for dine-in, take-out, and delivery. Kasi dapat araw-araw may dahilan para mag-celebrate. Make birthdays extra special and extra sweet with the new birthday pancakes. Treat yourself, surprise a friend, o basta celebrate life, dito lang yan sa Pancake House.